Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to take a screen clip in Windows using just Windows built-in utilities. You don't need any third-party software to do this. So there's three different ways that I'm going to show you how to do this, and they're all really easy to use. So let's say you wanted to take a screenshot of just a certain screen here. If you wanted to do a whole window, you could do the Alt print screen key combination. That'll copy your window. But let's say you just wanted to take just a little picture of a part there without having to crop out a full screen image. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look for Snip and Sketch. So you could click on Start, and let's say you have the regular Start menu. You could just do a search for Snip, I think Snip and Sketch. And so you'll have this key here, and it gives you a little shortcut, Windows plus Shift plus S, if you want to see your whole screen without having to open up this tool first. But we're just going to take just a little piece of the picture here because we don't want the whole thing. So we're going to click on New, and you can see how it dims out the screen. So then you just need to draw a box around the part you want, and then it's right there in the clipboard. And you could you could add stuff to it if you wanted, write on it or whatever else you want to do, that kind of thing, before you do whatever you're going to do with it. So let's say now that we have this in here, we want to put it in an email. So there's some options in here. We could either save it first and then attach it, or what I want to do is I want to copy it. So we're going to click this, or you can do Control-C on your keyboard. And now let's say we want to go into our email, and then we could just paste it in there. So now we have this. It's going to paste it as an image, so don't go thinking you could edit the text once you copy it in there, because it's just a screenshot of that particular thing. So pretty easy to do. So that's one way. And the other way is the other snipping tool, which is the older utility that comes with Windows 10. And when you open it, you'll see this, that it says snipping tool is moving. So try Snip and Sketch. So eventually the snipping tool will probably be gone, but this thing works the same way. Let me go back to the web page, go to New, and once again we could just draw a box around what we want, and it puts it there. And once again, you could draw on it or highlight it, and you could erase what you did, that kind of thing. And then you could save it and copy it and so on. So we could copy it again, go back to this email, get rid of this, paste it in there. Works exactly the same way. So that's the snipping tool. So we got Snip and Sketch and then the snipping tool. And then when you close it, it's going to ask if you want to save it. We're going to say no. So we'll delete that. So the third method, it's very similar. If you go to your notifications down here and the Windows taskbar at the very bottom right, click on that. You'll see you have all these icons for various things for your wireless and Bluetooth and that kind of thing. So if you click on Screen Snip, you could go right from there. And same thing, it dims out the screen. You go like that, and then it puts it in right into Snip and Sketch actually, so it's kind of part of it. And then it puts in a clipboard automatically, so there's no need to copy it. So if we go right over to here and paste it, so I guess it's kind of a shortcut because you don't have to open Snip and Sketch first. You don't have to go copy, and you just take the picture, automatically copies it into your clipboard, and then you can paste it in there. Anyway, so once again, go to your search bar and look for Snip and Sketch, or you could look for Snipping Tool, or you could go to your notification here and pick on Screen Snip and see how it's still kept it in there since I just recently copied it. So like I said, three different ways within Windows without any third-party applications to take little screen captures of specific parts of your screen. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.